All right, so here we got Amari and I at the Mar Vista
What up, y'all?
Farmers Market. We're gonna go in and pick up some leafy greens, possibly some vegetables and some fruit. Let's see what they got.
Yeah.
Are you excited?
Yeah, very much so.
All right. Do you go out and pick out leafy greens often?
No, not really. So
All
this will be a
right.
good new little adventure.
Do you get here regularly? I mean, is this
No,
a
I mean,
new,
I've come
new
every
occasion?
once in a while, but I think now I'll probably be doing it a little bit more often now that I'm part of the bib lifestyle.
It's right down the street from his house, and the deals here at these markets are incredible. I highly recommend if you get the chance to go to a farmer's market and you want your leafy greens, fruits, and vegetables, and even just some snacks. They always have great deals. Let's see what we get.
All right. Oh, leafy greens.
Yeah.
Organic.
We'll just take a look around first and just see.
Fruits over here.
So you can just see some organic carrots, what real organic carrots look like. Which way do we go?
We're on an adventure.
I got the food. One tomato.
Let's make things hot. All right, Amari. I see a great deal on some oranges right there. You like oranges?
I do. I love oranges.
So we're gonna go ahead and get ourselves a nice bundle of these delicious oranges right here, $4.50 for a 5-pound bag.
Yes, sir.
No, you enjoy.
50 cents is your change.
Thank you so much.
We are here at the Arnett Farm,
Wow, that's delicious.
picking up some oranges.
It's an orange fruit roll-up.
That's good. My friend.
Hey, Amari, what are you getting over there?
Some pink lady apples, organic.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
we're here at the
The Mar Vista Farmers Market. There you go. Looking good.
So you having a good time, Amari?
I am. This is nice.
Excellent. What have you
Great
got?
environment.
What have you got yourself so far?
Got some apples, we got some oranges, and we're gonna probably look at some leafy greens soon, I'm sure.
Yes, we are.
All right. Those are pretty. Those spotted plants, those are really pretty.
Once you wash it, we get that. Yeah, so the gaviotas, it's a softer, juicier berry and it's lower in acid.
The Gavios,
Gaviotas.
Gaviotas, and we're gonna mix match.
Salvians, it's a firmer berry with a stronger flavor.
All right, we'll enjoy these in some fruit bowls. Okay, so we found our leafy green and vegetable stand. Amari, let's go ahead and start picking up some leafy greens and vegetables.
All right,
What do you think?
What do we want
What
to
do you
get?
think you want to get this week? I know we're going to need some beets.
For sure. What kind of beets do you want to do? Golden or
Let's
mixture?
go with the red beets.
Red beets? Okay.
Yeah. You know, whatever you feel good
These
with
feel
picking.
lucky. I like these.
Boom, lucky beets they are. I'll take those and set them over here.
Perfect.
Then we'll
All
go
right.
ahead and get some carrots.
All right.
Now these are organic carrots, and you can just tell from the way these carrots look. You don't see normal carrots like this in the grocery store.
No, these are
They're not as pretty as what the grocery store wants to sell.
these are hobbit carrots.
These are Hobbit carrots. I love it.
What do we want to do next?
What else? We are going to need some leafy greens. I see some delicious Swiss chard right there. That looks great. We can get a bundle of that.
It's good, huh?
Looks good. And you can just tell how organic just looks so much better and tastier.
Absolutely.
So we're gonna need 4 different types of leafy greens.
All right.
We've got one right there.
So we got some kale here, some
We've
black
got some kale. We got a couple different kales.
Yeah, which
right
kind do you
there.
want to do today? Curly kale?
It's up to you. This is your, your
Let's go-
shopping.
Let's go black kale.
All right, we got the black kale.
You want one?
Just one bundle will be enough.
All right. We've got some dandelion greens over there.
We're gonna get some dandelion greens over there. I see it.
Howdy. Good, how are you?
Look at this stuff. Doesn't it look delicious?
Yes, sir.
Maybe some fresh cilantro.
Now you
Like
talking
that?
about, yeah.
Yes.
Flavor,
love me
baby.
some fresh cilantro.
Aromatics. Beautiful. All right.
And I think we're gonna need one more thing.
So do you want to do some romaine or you want to do some,
Go ahead and I think romaine will work. Yeah, let's get a bundle of that romaine. The Tamai Family Farms. The best deals on the market right here. Amari, are you content with your choices?
yeah, I'm excited.
Are you excited about what's to come when you're going to be eating these and how good they're going to be for you?
Yeah. It's nice to see it, like where it's coming from before I eat it, you know?
So here, Amari just picked all the leafy greens he's going to be enjoying here for the next week. Look at how delicious they look. Was that a confident pick you made there, Amari?
Oh yeah, we got the winners.
And what did we pay for all that?
$15.
$15.
And that's not, yeah, I mean, we got extra stuff.
And
so
I
it
got
would have been
extra.
less than that.
Yeah, I've got some mint there. I got to teach a bartending class this week, but that's going to be enough leafy greens and vegetable juice to last us for the next 7 days.
That's incredible.
And that's going to feed you and me and my wife.
And that's healthy.
And that's healthy.
Life.
$15 for all of that.
I am absolutely coming back here next week.
Pretty incredible, right?
Yeah, because I spend way more than that just walking into the grocery store.
Absolutely, absolutely. All right, Amari, how has your journey been here at the farmer's market?
It's been wonderful. Been a nice, invigorating morning.
Beautiful sunshine.
Living the Cali bib lifestyle.
What do you got to say to all your friends and family out there?
Be your best body.